Hey guys, it's CAMO here. We're real desperate to make a video because I have no content to upload. Alright guys, so everybody knows what the back strap is. You know, like a tenderloin of the deer, like the good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so I got this in a bag with some dry rub on it. I use a new seasoning here lately called Slap Yo Mama, but I'm not using it for this one, but I'm telling you, I'm recommending that to all you camoholics for anything you want to cook. That stuff's pretty good. I'm not sponsored by them, but I mean, if Slap Your Mama Seasonings wanna sponsor me, then go for it. All right, guys. So this is like the back strap. I got the grill started, and you know I kind of forgot about start making a video. So I just have it in the bag with the dry rub in it, soaking up in it, and I made this a couple different ways this year, just a couple different styles. But I'm gonna try doing this and see what it's like, cause I mean, it's how Camo is. Let me take a video for the thumbnail maybe. Alright guys, so this is the buck I shot in Oxford. He was in full rut. He was chasing that doe, and I taught him a lesson. So make sure you subscribe and keep on watching this video. Hey guys, it's Camo Kasuba here, guys, and look what I got here. Look what I got here. Alright, I'm gonna give it a little nibble and tell you if I like it or not. Alright guys, I just took a little nibble, and it tasted pretty good. And then guess what, guys? It tasted really good. Yeah, it's got some of that little bit of that deer taste that I love. I'm trying to be kind of a connoisseur of my meat. You better phrase that. And alright guys, so let me think about how I can say it's good and like express how it tastes. Alright guys, so it's cooked medium rare. It is deer venison from the 11-pointer I shot in Oxford. Let me think of some more ways to describe it. It's real tender. Old buck. People like shoot spikes and stuff for a meat deer. Let me just tell you something. Those people are just crazy. Yeah, I said it. Because you know why? Because this 11-pointer I shot tastes pretty darn good. And yeah. I'm kind of just rambling because I don't have any script. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna tell you guys, it tastes really good. So make sure you subscribe and like to this video. And I guess that's all you have to do, really. Oh, before I end this video, I'm gonna show you some stuff I bought at Academy a little while ago. But trust me, guys. Subscribe to Camo Kasuba. Hey guys, it's Camo Kasuba here, and I just came back from Academy. And there we go. Look what I got. Got some new arrows for my new bow I got for Christmas. Pretty cool. They're Mercy. I'll tell you later what kind of brand they are. But I mean, trust me, these things will kill some big deer. And then for Christmas, I got a bow. Doesn't have like a brand on or anything, but trust me, it's 55 pounds, and it should kill some deer. Hopefully, that's the plan. And while I was walking through Academy with my gift card, of course I'm going to spend some money. So what I did was I bought a bluegill swim bait. And you know I love bluegills. You know I love swim baits. This is the H2O Express. It's like the Academy brand. But trust me guys, I've caught some big old fishies on some H2O Express. And let me just tell you what else I got. I got a jerkbait. Pretty good for this time of year. It catches some big bass, and trust me guys, we'll catch some big bass on this jerkbait. It was on clearance, so I had to get him some zoom worms. These are finesse worms, but they are smoke purple, so I mean, I think it'll catch some big bass. And I got a live target Alabama rig. Should catch some big fish. But here's the big thing I got. I think it was like $60 or $70, which is a great price. You know how CAMO loves fish, and he loves cats. So, I mean, I got this reel. It's like an Academy brand reel, but I mean, it's a Pro Cat. Here, it's a 7-foot tall rod. It's a bait casting rod. They have the open face, but I thought the bait caster would be pretty cool. And you can see it's a huge rod. I'm not used to the girth of this rod, but I mean, trust me, it'll be pretty cool for reeling in some big fishies. Yeah. All right, guys. Pretty sweet looking bait caster. I've never actually heard of Pro Cat before, but I mean, can't be that bad for $70. This big of a rod. Yeah. Might even take it to the beach this summer. Catching biggies. Make sure you subscribe to this video if you haven't already.